The earthquake continues the N.J. Dawood translation of Al-Quran. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful, when earth is rocked in her last convulsion, when earth shakes off her burdens, and man asks, what may this mean? On that day she will proclaim her tidings. For your Lord will have inspired her. On that day mankind will come in broken bands to be shown their labors. Whoever does an atom's weight of good shall see it, and whoever does an atom's weight of evil shall see it also. Now it's the minutest particle, the smallest weight is basically the idea. And see, it's not just we that are witnesses. The very material world is going to bear witness. And this chapter, of course, is known as being as of half al-Quran, because of its focus on karma and the direction towards the last day and, belief in God.